Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 10. We are on Lesson 3, Grammar. So Activity 1, underline the verbs. So I already helped you underline the verbs. Tick if the verb form is correct and cross if it isn't. So number 1. So before I start this lesson here, so I want to give you a rule of thumb of this past continuous with past simple. So if you look at it carefully, so when will be followed by past simple, while will be followed by past continuous. So this is an affirmative form, and then this is a negative form. So basically they are the same for these two sentences. So what is? So number 1, so I was sitting in my classroom when the electricity was going off. So this is wrong for this one. And then number 2, my class was doing a test when it happened. So both correct, so we tick it. And then number 3, I was working on the computer when I was losing my work. So when will be followed by past simple. So obviously this is not correct. And then this is correct. Number 4, we did our English project when Paul shouted, "Help." So this is correct for this one because when will be followed by past simple. So this is correct. And then this is wrong. And then number 5, our teacher went to the library when the lights were coming back on. So number 5, so when will be followed by past simple. So this is not correct. And then this is correct. So I made a mistake here. So this is not correct also. And then number 6, we had lunch when there was another power cut. So when will be followed by past simple. This is correct. And then this is should be past continuous. So this is not correct. So we are on this activity 2 here. Complete the text with the correct form of the verbs. Last night there was a problem at the zoo. The new zookeeper was feeding the tiger when it escaped. He wasn't watching when the tiger, so run will be change its form to ran. So this one R-A-N, ran away. So some tourists, so this one walk will change its form to were walking, past continuous. So because this is plural, we will use were and then walking. Were walking in the park when they heard a strange noise. So they buy ice cream. So we'll change its form to were buying because they is plural. So were buying. Were buying ice cream when they saw the tiger. So they were phoning the emergency services when a police car. So when will be followed by past simple, arrive. So we add a D here, arrive. The tiger sleep under a tree. So this is past continuous. We'll use was because the tiger only singular, and then was sleeping. Was sleeping under a tree when the police finally caught it. it is now safely back in the zoo. So we go to this activity 3 here. So what happened after school? Write sentences with when. So if you look at it carefully, so this slash here will be substituted by when, and maybe you need to add a few words here, so depending on the questions. And then number 2, so for example this one, I was going, so go will change its form to past continuous. I was going home when I saw, so when will be followed by past simple, so see will change its form to saw, so when I saw an accident. And then number 2, so phone, police, so you can write it, I was phoning, because this is the verb. So phoning, E will be substituted by ing, the police, and then you add when, the ambulance arrived, so when will be followed by past simple, so when the ambulance arrived, so we add a D here. And then number 3, open door, lights come back on. So you can write it as I was opening the door when, so when the lights so this one we will change to past simple, come, so we will change its form to came back on. And number 4, watch TV, power go off again. So I was watching TV when the power went off. So go, because this is the verb, so we'll change to went off again. And then last question, number 5. So wash the dishes, water go cold. So I was washing the dishes when the water so go will change to went when cold. So that's it. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page number 10. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. So you can also watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it and then join my Telegram robot that I developed.